Hi again, guys. I've always loved Iron Man. Last year I made this build, and today I want to create a smaller version of it, with fewer pieces and a simpler build. Check out my other creations on my channel, and please consider to subscribe and give it a like. And thank you if you have. Without further ado, enjoy the tutorial, and let's build.